Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to email. This is incredibly useful if you want to automatically receive responses from your forms directly in your inbox, making it easier to track submissions and stay on top of important data without constantly checking your Typeform dashboard. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, open your browser and head over to typeform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your email and password ready so you can access your account quickly. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you'll see all your existing forms displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to connect to your email. Click on the name of that form to open it up. Alternatively, if you haven't created a form yet or want to set this up for a new one, you can create a new form from scratch right here. Now that you have your form open, look toward the top of the page. You'll notice several tabs and options available. What you're looking for is the Connect button. Click on it. This section is where Typeform allows you to integrate with various third-party apps and services, making your workflow much more efficient. Once you're in the integrations area, you'll see a search bar. This is where you can find the specific integration you need. Go ahead and search for Gmail in the integrations search bar. Typeform supports a wide range of integrations, so using the search function helps you find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through everything. After typing in Gmail, the integration should appear in the results. You'll see an option that says Connect next to Gmail. Click on that Connect button. This will prompt you to authorize the connection between Typeform and your Gmail account. At this point, you'll need to log into your Gmail account. Make sure you're using the correct email address that you want to receive your Typeform responses. Enter your credentials and follow any additional prompts that Google may present to verify your identity and grant Typeform the necessary permissions. And there you have it. Your Typeform is now connected to your email, which means every time someone submits a response to your form, you'll receive a notification directly in your Gmail inbox. This setup saves you time and ensures you never miss an important submission. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.